Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection you see the decorated egg beads designs for the home decoration ideas, Easter decorated egg style. And if you like my ideas, if you like my creativity, then please share with your family and friends, and please share your feedback and most amazing so creative ideas for the Easter celebration. I try my best was to use the best collection creative ideas. In this case you feel very happy and not feeling boring. So only the top ideas, only the best creativity ideas. So enjoy my collection on daily basis. Amazing and so creative, and viewers are so amount of collection related to the Easter are available. So go and see the amazing collection related to Easter are available. So thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel, and beautiful centerpieces for the table decor on Easter day. Keep watching Easter celebrations and Easter crafts, Easter die crafts. So take care.